Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Guess 666 in the Steal A Brainrot style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw a curve across. And then another one on top. Now at the bottom, let's draw two small lines down. Then bring it out and up. Now on each side, let's draw the horns. Let's draw a wavy line up. And bring it down in the same way. Now top underneath, and let's draw the shape of the head by drawing two lines down. And a curve across the bottom. Now for the top of the head, let's draw a curve in between the horns here. And then underneath the horns, let's bring it down and in. Now top in at the top, and we're going to draw the letter R. Let's start with the line down, curve it over, and an angle down. And then inside, let's bring it up and down. A small line at the top with a curve across. Now let's add a border by drawing a line down on the left and a border on the right side like this. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside and let's draw two angles up and out. And then a curve underneath to close off each eye. Now for the mouth, let's draw a long curve across. And one more underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start on each side and let's draw a line out. Then let's bring it down. And close it off at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. We'll start with two lines down in the center. And then another set on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each leg. And now that we're done the legs, let's hop back up and draw the arms. Let's start on the top, underneath each shoulder, and let's draw an angle up. And then angle it back down and out. And let's draw another angle underneath. And then close off the end of each arm. Now at the bottom of each arm here, let's draw the swords. Let's draw two small angles down and out. And then let's draw a long curve across underneath. Now top underneath and let's draw 2 curves down. And then angle it back in on each side, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's add a point to close it off. Now top inside at the top and let's draw 2 bumps up like this. Now top back out and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then curve it back in to finish off the hilt of the sword. Now let's add the blade by drawing 2 long angles down and out underneath. And then close off the end with a point. And that's it for the swords. Lastly, let's hop back in and let's draw the word Roblox across the body. Let's start on the left arm and let's draw a block shape letter R like this. And then let's add a border around. Now let's hop to the center and let's start by drawing the rest of the word with the letter O here. Then let's add a rectangle on top. Then the letter B. Next, let's add the letter L. And one more O. And again, let's add a loose border around. Lastly, let's hop inside the right arm and draw the letter X. And let's add a border around. And that's it for guest 666. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!